In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't download a game you own or find it in your game library on PS4. So, the first thing you want to do is scroll back to the home menu, and then you want to go to settings in the top right corner. Now, from here, select account management, and you want to go to activate as your primary PS4 on your main account where you purchase your games. Now, if it says activate, select activate. If it's already activated, that's great. We're now going to go back and you want to select restore licenses. So if you're unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, restoring the licenses may fix your issue. So what you want to do is restore the licenses for all the games on your PlayStation Network account. And once you've done that, you can go back to the game library and see if you're able to access and download the game. Now, if you're still experiencing issues at this point, it's likely you probably purchased the game on a different account. So what I recommend you do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, hold it, and then go to switch users from power. And once you switch users, go to the different account. And once you're here, you want to have a look at the game library and see if it's available for download. And if you see it here and you can't download it, what I recommend you do is go back and then go to settings in the top right corner and go to account management. And then you want to go to restore licenses on this account to see if you can gain access to the game. Then you want to go back to your game library and see if you can actually download the game. And you could also go to the PlayStation Store and download it there. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.